Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, once again you are welcome to my online class. You, the second year HSC second year students and the examining 2020, especially you are welcome to my class, online class. Famous English poet and dramatist William Shakespeare says, "The world is a stage and we are actors and actresses." Actors and actresses. Dear students, actually it is right. After performing our respective roles, we leave this world, leave this stage. But before going to leave the world, what should we do? We should do some certain thing, certain work, certain deeds in which we can live after our death. Because we people live in our deeds, not in our wealth. So, do something for your society, do something extraordinary, do something creative, love the country, love the people of your country, love the people of the world. Extend your helping hands to the distressed humanity. Then, after your death, you will be remembered by your countrymen, and this will be your great work, and you will live in your deeds. Dear students, make an extraordinary result by which you can make the face of your parents, your nation, and yourself bright, and you will also live in your result. That means the result is very important. Now, learn English grammar very interestingly and carefully. I try my level best to make English grammar, rules of English grammar easy to read. Okay, let's focus on our previous rules. What we are learning? We are learning changing from affirmative sentence into negative sentence. We have also learned many rules here. We learned how to change only alone into negative sentence. We change it into negative sentence by using none but when we see person, nothing but when we see thing, not more or less than when we see age or number here. And another rule, must, have to, has to. When we see affirmative sentence, we change it into negative sentence by using cannot but or cannot but plus V1. When you see had to in affirmative sentence, we change into I using could not but V1, V1 plus other part of the sentence, or by using help plus V1 ing and other part of the sentence. When you see in affirmative sentence, everyone, everybody, every plus noun, we change it negative by using there is or was, no one, nobody or none, or no plus noun, and but another part of the sentence. And in rule number, I think it will be 4, when you see as soon as in affirmative sentence, we change it into negative by using no or sooner plus have plus subject B3. Then we have to use than here. Then we have to use than here. Then other part of the sentence. And we also learned, we have learned both and. In affirmative sentence, we change it into negative sentence by using not only but also. And when we see comparative degree and superlative degree in affirmative sentence, we change it by using positive degree, no other, or using not plus as or adjective plus as in other part of the sentence. And we also see 2 plus 2 in affirmative sentence. We use it so adjective that cannot be one subject, same subject, or sometimes we use other subject, the second subject here when we use for plus object. My dear students, it is in brief the rules of our previous class. Now see, I think it is a main or a big rule here. By using opposite words or word in the sentence. See, rule number I can write here, rule number 8. Rule number 8. Subject, verb plus word. What other? Rule number 8. Subject plus auxiliary verb, not or negative word, especially never. Then opposite word. For example, see, example. He is honest. He is honest. See here, example. He is honest. See, he is honest here. He is not dishonest. He is not dishonest. He is honest. He is not dishonest. See, he is. See another example. He is tall. Opposite word. He is not short. See, he is not short. Opposite word of tall is short. My friend, for example, my friend Ashish is always late. My friend Ashish is never for always, never punctual. For late, the opposite word is punctual. In this way, we should be sincere. We should not be insincere. We should be sincere, we should not be insincere. See, yes, we see another word also. See in the blackboard. When you see it in affirmative sentence, a little or a few. What do we write here? No, for little, not much. For few, not many. Because little is uncountable noun, we have to use much here, and a few is a countable noun, we use not many. For example, there is a little milk in the glass. See, here there is not much milk in the glass. Another example for F2. There is a few cows in the field. There is a few cows in the field. There is not many cows in the field. See here, in this way, when you get what, you have to write the opposite word here. But my dear students, when we will not get any rules to change negative sentence, what will you do then? Then we have to make it interrogative, negative, negative, interrogative. See how? I'm writing the sentence here. See, health is wealth. What is the opposite word of wealth? We cannot write any appropriate word for wealth here. Then we have to make it negative, interrogative. Isn't health wealth? Then we have to write interrogative sign here. Here we also made not here. We have also made it negative sentence, though it is interrogative sentence. When you see this type of sentence, you will write negative interrogative form in affirmative sentence. Another example, milk is white. If you write milk is not black, no, it will not be right here. Isn't milk white? See here, isn't milk white? For another example, you can see, she is a nurse. What will do here? She is not a doctor. Can I write it? No. I think it will not be right. Is not she a nurse? It will be clear. Then it will be also correct. Here students, see another example. I am giving example first. Then I will tell you how to change it into negative by using another rule here. See, I love him. I don't hate him. No, this will be the sharp contrast, sharp opposite of the word. We have to write, see here, I am not without love for him. See, I am not without love for him. This is another phrase. You can also write it, don't I love him? I think it is also right. But learn this way. You have to learn. Dear students, write some sentences for practice at home on all the rules we have learned in affirmative sentence, changing it into negative sentence. Write some sentences here. Rule number 1, what you have learned here, only here. 1, only the old man was alive. Write it here, write down this. 2, I ate only the mango. Another example here, 8. fish, I have bought only a pen. Then write, we must obey the laws of the country. Right? We must obey the laws. Then in question number 5, write in number 5, write he had to work hard. See here, right? This is number 6. Everybody was present here. Right? Sentence number 7. Everybody was present there. Sentence number 7. Every man has a heart or mind. Every nation has a national flag. You can write this. Then sentence number 8. As soon as the doctor came, the patient died. Write another sentences. Here are 9. Sentence now 9. Both Sheila and Neela. Suppose Sheila and Neela, sisters. Sheila and Neela got the prize. Here, see sentence number 10. The old man is too weak to walk or move. Next, sentence 11. She is the wisest girl in the village. Next, sentence number 12. We shall always remember him. You shall always remember him. My dear students, if you practice all the rules of this sentence and practice these sentences at home, I think this grammatical item will be very clear to you. Dear students, at the end of the class, I want to say one thing. To be a great man, to be a famous man, follow the life of the famous man of the world. And never waste a single moment. You will see everything, every positive thing in the life of the great man of the world. Always remember Allah. Allah will help you to reach your goal, reach your target. Follow the rules of health. Don't go out without any reason. Use mask when you go out. Wash your hands 20 seconds at least. Maintain distance. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.